Yes, welcome to our channel. Today, let us discuss the subject and subject verb agreement. Okay, subject verb agreement. Chapter number 7, class 8 topic. Subject verb agreement, also called subject verb concord. Okay, the another name of subject verb agreement is subject verb concord. Refers to matching the subject and the verb of a sentence in tense. Example, matching verb with number, person and gender. Okay. Read the following rules for clear understanding of the subject verb agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb also be singular. He takes lunch in the canteen daily. In this sentence, the subject is singular, hence the verb corresponds to it. Corresponds यानी कि क्या हो जाएगा, सेम नंबर जेंडर का. Most of the time this mean adding an s to the end of the verb take becomes takes. If the verb ends in x, double s, sh, ch, tch and double z, then es is added in the end to match the third person singular. If the verb ends in y, remove the y and add ies. Second number, if the subject consists of multiple singular nouns joined by or, the subject is considered as singular and the verb indicating singular is used. Okay. Rama or Rima works in this office. Ballpoint pen or ink pen writes fine. If the two nouns you join with or, then we use singular verb. If the subject consists of many plural nouns joined by and the subject is considered as plural. Boys and girls submit assignment on time. Apples and bananas last taste very well. Indefinite pronouns. Everybody, somebody, anybody, anyone, no one, anybody, somebody, nobody, either, neither usually take a singular verb. Indefinite pronouns usually take a singular verb. Nobody is ready to come. Someone is knocking at the door. Everyone likes to be praised. Nouns used with quantifier some, any, all, most can be singular or plural. This depends on whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Most of the people there are Indians. All animals need protection. If the subject is joined by either or neither nor or not only but also, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Neither the teacher nor the students want a trip to finish. Want agrees with students. Either shirt or t-shirt are compulsory for students. Verbs used with gerund, infinitive or participle need not follow subject verb agreements. यानी कि gerund infinitive participle के साथ subject verb agreement follow करना कोई compulsory नहीं है. However, the main verbs of the sentence will follow the agreement. Main verb क्या करेगा, इस agreement को follow करेगा. The teacher makes writing compulsory. The teachers make writing compulsory. Uncountable nouns take a singular verb. Honesty is the key to success. Poverty affects many people around the world. The research show that corona is spreading. When sentences have subjects like news, mathematics, politics, etc., nouns singular and plural in form but considered singular in meaning, the verb used should be singular. The news of robbery is spreading like wildfire. Mathematics is an interesting subject. Similarly, subjects like police, cattle, people, etc., nouns that are singular in forms but considered plural in meaning use plural verbs. The police have been looking for criminals. Cattle are not allowed to graze in this field. Collective nouns are words that imply more than one but are considered singular and take a singular verb such a group, team, committee, family, class. The team has won the match. The family has suffered a great tragedy.